How to get Splash chat theme on Instagram chat message. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So here I'm going to show you how you can get Splash chat theme on Instagram message. So guys, first of all, make sure to update your Instagram from Google Play Store or App Store. And then after updating, let me just get inside my Instagram chat. Here to change the chat theme into Splash, what you need to do here, I'm going to show you. You just need to click on this name of the particular person, and then this type of interface will be pop up. Here you have to click on theme option. Here simply click on theme, and then the first one you can see Splash, it's written Splash here. Just you need to tap here. After tapping here, you can see, just go back, and you can see here I have successfully changed my chat theme into Splash. And if I remove it, just click on the name, click on this, and then you can select lots of chat theme is available on Instagram. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon on the next video.